here goes Emma the chicken wrangler.
When a chicken does that, that means it's done holding.
Pick her up again. Get her, Emma.
They're not scared of her at all.
These chickens are nice.
They're scared.
Oh. What's that one's name?
Ready?
Red.
Red Riding Hood. Red.
Here.
You can
Get
just
that
call
one.
her
Grab one of
Red.
these. Grab one of those.
Go, you got it cornered. Go. You can get it now. Get it.
Don't chase. Don't chase.
She's coming back to you.
That one has two pockets.
No, I wouldn't grab it then.